DIY boot camp was great. It was a very fun experience. I'm glad that I got to go. Learned a lot. I did. I drove all by myself all the way down to Southern California, 10-hour drive. There was a room full of furniture and we got to pick our piece. We got 60 seconds to come into this room and look at all of the amazing furniture, and we had you didn't even have time to think. You just had to look and go, okay, that one's it. You had to pick the one that spoke to you. I went around the room. I almost immediately picked out the one that I wanted as soon as I walked in the door. It was green, and green's my favorite color. And then I just took a look around the rest. I went, nope, that's the piece. That's the one I'm going to take. So you had 4 hours to complete our project. It was a little nerve-wracking, but we got it done. Buy this wonderful DIY paint. You do your first coat. You paint your first coat on, let it dry. I let mine dry 24 hours. I add a little bit of water into my paint before I put my paintbrush in, just to water it down a little bit so my paint isn't really thick. It makes it a little bit more smooth and it goes on a little bit easier. Sometimes I add a little bit of water to the surface of the piece of furniture that I'm painting. So just as long as you feel that your brush is going smoothly and dragging smoothly along your piece, you will be doing great. Lots of floral in it, so I thought the floral would look great with that, greenery basically coming through. It made it look more of a garden-y aspect. And add my transfers how I want. I don't ever put the transfers on how they come in the package. I put them on randomly, however I feel the composition is going to look. And then after I get them where I'm set, sometimes I sand them back a little bit, make them look a little more shabby chic, and then I put a good top coat on. Yes, they look beautiful wrapped around the sides, and it just makes it feel more done sometimes when you do it around the sides and on the top. Yes, you can definitely layer transfers. Like I said, I randomly put mine on how I think that the composition looks, and I always layer some piece over the top of the other transfer that's already on there. And I always use a top coat like Big Top or Liquid Patina is what I used on this particular piece. happy with the piece that I picked. It worked out perfectly. I actually had an idea in mind of what I wanted to do, and that piece was the perfect piece, and it came out fantastic.
Your sorrow to land on me, and I've been waiting for the future, and I've been waiting.
I'm opening my own shop, my own brick and mortar shop, Sadie Mae Designs, and you can also find me online at sadiemaedesigns.com. So you'll find me on YouTube. My channel name is Sadie Mae Designs. Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell. You can find a link to my YouTube channel down below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to watch for future videos to come.
Waiting for us.